All right, time for some Finally Friday birthdays out there, and we begin in Carthage with Echo Charles celebrating birthday number 3. Happy birthday.
Denver Hayden celebrating birthday number 3 as well. Look at that fun face painting there. I hope you have a great birthday, Denver.
And we've got Rance Keating celebrating birthday number 6 in Fulton. Happy birthday, Rance.
And in Frontenac, Aspen Kellogg is celebrating Sweet 16 this year.
All right, we also have Libby Stevens in Joplin celebrating birthday number 19.
Kelly Malone turning 23 years old in Fort Scott.
And in Carthage, Josh Horton celebrating birthday number 47 with love from Mom, Pa, and the family. Happy birthday, Josh.
And we've got Miranda Ulmer. Happy birthday to you, Miranda. Hope you have a great one.
And we've also got Marvin Kavanaugh celebrating in St. Paul. Marvin is a resident at Prairie Mission Retirement Village. Happy birthday.
All right. And in Walnut, Kansas, Janice Norris. Happy birthday to Janice. And if you see her at his or her bar and grill, say happy birthday.
All right, we've also got Gerald Mullinex in Weir celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday.
Deborah Humble turning 68 years old in Weir.
And in Erie, we've got Lois Carlson celebrating birthday number 81. Happy birthday, Lois.
All right, and Parsons, William Beneke celebrating the big 9-0. That's a big milestone there. Happy birthday, William. Best wishes from your family, Shirley, Chris, Karen, David, Ethan, Aiden, and Landon.
And our list continues with Karen Vaughn and Crestline with a happy birthday love from all of the Crestline.
Ruth Benedict in Columbus, turning another year wiser.
As well as Tracy Spear, also in Columbus, celebrating today.
Franklin, Kansas is celebrating along with Cheryl Dalton. Happy birthday.
And in St. Paul, Jerry Pauley celebrating birthday number 62.
And out in Altoona, Kansas, Sharon Frankenberry. Happy birthday.
And the list goes on with Wayne Wallace in Chanute celebrating, along with Rebecca Bertella in Columbus also celebrating. We love celebrating birthdays with you guys, don't we?
We do.
Okay, all right.
I'm happy our list, we've got a nice size list today. We want to keep these lists this big every day.
We certainly
For us
do.
to do that, you need to send us your birthdays, and probably the easiest way is to just email them to us. And the best email to use, koamnewsnow.com, or birthdays at koamnews.com. That's our website right there. You can go there and there's a link to send it to.
Yeah, you can do it online through the website, or as Tanya said, you can email them to us. Electronic ways are the fastest and best ways, by the way. And don't forget, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you need to do is head over to that website we were just talking about, which in case you forgot is koamnewsnow.com. You can get special deals from local businesses and a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just head over to koamnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today. Well, coming up, when